Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shivya Shankar from Grade 1, Section 2 from Kamala Niketan Montessori School, Trichy. I'm going to talk about my favorite festival, Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 4 days. In the mid of January. The 4 days are Bohi, Surya Pongal, Mattu Pongal, Kanam Pongal. The name Pongal comes from the Tamil word Pong, which means to boil over. Bohi, the first day of the festival, when people get rid of old things and welcome new ones. Surya Pongal, the second day, when people prepare a pongal, the dish is cooked in clay pot outdoors. Pongal, Mattu Pongal, the third day, when people honor cattle by bathing them, decorating them with flowers and bells, and feeding them Pongal. Kanum Pongal, the final day when people visit relatives, friends, exchange gifts and celebrate together.